Welcome to my show. My name is Frankie McDowell. This episode is huge snowstorm heading for Winnipeg this Saturday, heading for Minnesota this Saturday, and heading for Nebraska and others in central United States this Saturday. Attention citizens of Winnipeg, Manitoba. Attention citizens of Minnesota. Blizzard warning has been issued for Winnipeg. Snow will be a lot of snow, a lot of high winds is going to hit Winnipeg, Manitoba. A lot of snow is going to hit central United States this weekend. Snow will be so powerful. Winnipeg is going to get zero visibility, white out conditions. And Winnipeg is also getting a bad roads and reduced visibility and blowing snow and major blizzards going to hit Winnipeg this weekend. Winnipeg is going to get a lot of snow this weekend. Minnesota is going to get a lot of snow. People in Winnipeg, have your winter boots, have your winter jackets, hats and gloves and scarves, ski pants. People in Winnipeg, be prepared. Supposed to be a major blizzard is going to hit Winnipeg and central United States this weekend. Central United States and Winnipeg, Manitoba and Minnesota is going to get a major blizzard this weekend. People in Winnipeg, be prepared. Start shoveling your snow. Get your shovels and winter gear ready. And winter boots, winter jackets, hats and gloves and scarves and ski pants. Supposed to be a powerhouse blizzard going to hit Winnipeg this weekend. Supposed to get 50 plus centimeters of snow for the central United States this weekend. Coming all the way from Denver, Colorado, all the way to Minneapolis, Minnesota, and all the way to Winnipeg, Manitoba. Best of luck to ya.